Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to all of you, dear students. Today we are going to study what is cover letter. As I have already discussed with you people that a cover letter is a type of letter in which a document that is sent with your resume to provide additional information on your work, skills and personal experience. Especially when you apply for a job, in a company, in a organization, in an institution, you write a cover letter. This is the modern form, and it is also known as sometime it is called as a letter for our application, job application letter. So we always attach a letter along with our email, along with the cover letter for a job when we have a purpose. So first of all, we are going to study what is cover letter. A cover letter is a document sent with your resume to provide additional information on your skills and experience. The cover letter is the document that accompanies your CV when you are applying for a job. कवर लेटर एक ऐसा लेटर होता है जो आपकी सीवी के साथ मौजूद होता है, जो कि आप किसी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं तो ये आपकी सीवी और रिज्यूम के साथ अटैच होता है उस जॉब के लिए. In short, it is comprising of 200 and 250 words with a quite rich structure and has the layout of a letter. तो इसका जो साइज़ है वो 200 से 250 के अल्फाज के दरमियान आपने रखना होता है. With quite a rich structure mean you must be remain in the domain of your cover letter. Mean first of all you will describe about the suitability of that very job for particular job that you are applying, and second one you will discuss your skills, your expertise, your experience, and last one the concluding remarks that I am the fit candidate for the said post, and if I hope you will give me a chance to be uh, appointed for this post. So here the next topic of cover letter is objective of cover letter. Why we wrote cover letter? To introduce and present your resume or CV to the HR person or the recruiter, या जो आपको रिक्रूट कर रहे होते हैं, जिन्होंने एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे रहे होते हैं, तो आपने अपनी जो रिज्यूम है उसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए और अपने आप को का तारुफ देने के लिए यू राइट अ डिटेल कवर लेटर. The second thing, to land you the interview for that dream job you wanted. और आप अपनी जगह बनाने के लिए उस अपनी ड्रीम जॉब के लिए जो आप चाह रहे हैं कि आपको वो जॉब मिले, तो आप उसके लिए जो है वहाँ पर लैंड करना चाह रहे हैं, उस जगह पर जाकर अपना इंटरव्यू देना चाहते हैं. फॉर दिस पर्पज़ यू राइट अ कवर लेटर. एंड थर्ड थिंग, increase the chances of getting the job. When you write a cover letter, you describe your experience, your skills, your expertise, your educational requirements. It means you are uh, exposing yourself in front of your recruiter or your interviewer or the head of the institution, so that you are the fit or suitable candidate. So when you write a cover letter, it increases the chances of getting the job. And the last thing, in the objectives of cover letter, why we write cover letter. So here we are discussing the objective, the last objective, to help you get the job. The cover letter also help you in getting the job in an organization. So in the objective of cover letter we have discussed to introduce and present your resume or CV to the HR personnel or recruiter. Mean your cover letter present your CV or resume to the HR personnel, मीन जो वहाँ का ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट होता है या ऑफिसर होता है उसके सामने आपकी रिज्यूम को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए कवर लेटर जो है वो यूज़ होता है। और द रिक्रूटर या जो जो वहाँ पे किसी ऑफिस में उस जॉब को रिक्रूट कर रहा है, जो भर्ती कर रहे हैं लोग, सपोज़ वो DPO हैं, वो IDO एजुकेशन है, वो किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बैंक के किसी मैनेजर हैं, तो उनको हम रिक्रूटर बोलते हैं। The third point of objective, to land you the interview for that dream job you wanted. आपको उस जगह पर पहुंचाना जहाँ पे आपने उस जॉब का ख्वाब देखा है। The cover letter help you for that very dream job that you have dreamt you wanted to get. The fourth objective, the cover letter increase the chances of getting your job. तो कवर लेटर आपकी जो जॉब हासिल करने के चांसेस हैं उनको इंक्रीज कर देता है। टू हेल्प यू गेट द जॉब, ए कवर लेटर आल्सो हेल्प यू टू गेट द जॉब बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव written a very influential and a very persuasive cover letter, the recruiters will see and will select you if it has all the criteria for that very job. So these were the objectives of cover letter. So here is the format that how it is started. First of all, header. A cover letter should begin with both you and the employer contact information, name, address, phone number, email, followed by the date. If this is an email rather than an actual letter, include your contact information at the end of the letter after your signature. So if you are composing your email, you first of all write in the to in the form of the email address, then from your email address, and then you start the subject. The subject mean cover letter for the job of for the post of a stenotypist or assistant officer. So this is your subject, and now you will start your cover letter with salutation, dear sir, respected sir, dear uh, manager, respected manager. So comma, and you will start your uh, cover letter, first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph of cover letter, and then at the end you will mark your concluding sentences. I hope you will consider my cover letter, job cover letter, and surely call me for interview. I hope you will give me a chance to be interview with you. Yours truly, yours sincerely, comma, and you will mention at the last your name, father name, address, phone number, email, mobile number, your email, and your signature. So this is the format how to write a cover letter. If you have written in the form of physically, you will just write the name of the person to and the subject and the title mean header mean to the addressee to the manager of the uh, paper factory, second one address, and the last one the date. Now the subject the cover letter for a job of assistant, and now salutation, dear sir, respected. So salutation means when you start your letter with salutations. So dear Mr., Mrs., dear madam, or madam. So last name you can write with your letter with the last name. Dear Mrs. Munir, dear Mr. Akram, respected sir, respected madam. So this is known as your salutation. If you are unsure if your contact is male or female, when you didn't know the person or recruitee to whom you are writing you didn't know, you can just write MS or Mr. Dear Mr. Right? So it is quite easy for MS and Mr. in oblique form. So you are unsure if the contact of male is or female, you can write out their full name. If you don't know the employer's last name, simply write Dear Hiring Manager. Dear Hiring Manager. Respected dear hiring manager. It means both men and female could be considered in this term. Now I discuss the point body of the cover letter. In a paragraph or two, explain why you are interested in the job and why you make an excellent candidate for the position. Mention specific qualification listed in the job posting and explain how you meet those qualification. और आपने बताना होता है कि आप कैसे शानदार कैंडिडेट हैं उस जॉब के लिए। आपने अपनी मखसूस जो है वो क्वालिफिकेशन उस कवर लेटर में बयान करनी है। आपने अपनी स्किल्स को बयान करना होता है। आपने अपनी कोई आईटी स्किल्स हैं तो वो बयान करनी है। एंड यू मीट दोज क्वालिफिकेशन कि आप उस जॉब के लिए वो क्राइटेरिया पूरा करते हैं। डू नॉट सिंपली रीस्टेट योर रिज्यूम। अपनी जो रिज्यूम है उसको अगेन एंड अगेन नहीं स्टेट करना। सिंगल टाइम आप अपनी जो है वो पैराग्राफ की सूरत में अपनी जो एक्सपीरियंस है, जो अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन है, जो अपनी पर्सनल स्किल्स हैं, उनको आपने डिस्कस कर देना है। बट प्रोवाइड स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम्पल दैट डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट योर एबिलिटीज। नाउ द क्लोजिंग इन द क्लोजिंग the closing section of your cover letters restate how your skills make you strong fit for the company and are for that very position। तो क्लोजिंग कमेंट्स में आपने बताना होता है कि किस तरह आपकी जो स्किल्स हैं, जो आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन है, जो आपकी एक्सपीरियंस है, जो आपकी आईटी स्किल्स हैं, वो किस तरह आपकी कंपनी के लिए फ़िट हैं और आप किस तरह से उस कंपनी के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हैं। with reference to your education, with reference to your qualification, with reference to your experience and expertise. So state that you would like the opportunity to give opportunity of interview or discuss employment opportunity. Explain what you will do to follow up and when you will do it. Thank the employer for his or her consideration for that very post. And the last one, the portion is signature, yours truly, yours sincerely. I hope you will, when you write at the end of the letter, thank you, I hope you will consider my name for this said post and call me for interview. And the last one, yours truly. Use a complimentary clause and then end your cover letter with your signature, handwritten, followed by your typed name. If this is an email, simply include your typed name followed by your contact information after the complimentary clause. So in email, the company will reply you with your email. So this was about cover letter. Once again, I am going to review the cover letter. Cover letter is the document that accompany your CV when you are applying for a job। ये आपकी CV या रिज्यूम के साथ होता है जब आप किसी जॉब के लिए किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, किसी भी इदारे में आप अप्लाई करते हैं। इन शॉर्ट इसको जो है 200 से 250 के अल्फाज के दरमियान होना चाहिए। और कवर लेटर की डेफिनेशन हम ज़रा डिस्कस कर लें जी। कवर लेटर इज़ द डॉक्यूमेंट सेट विद योर रिज्यूम टू प्रोवाइड एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन योर स्किल एंड एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग दैट वेरी जॉब। सो इसकी जो लेंथ है वो 200 से 250 अल्फाज पर मुश्तमिल होनी चाहिए। ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है इसके ये होने चाहिए कि आपका जो मकसद होता है कवर लेटर का वो रिक्रूटर को या जो आपके HR पर्सनल होते हैं, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट के लिए लोग, उनको जो है आपकी रिज्यूम के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देनी होती है और आपको उस जॉब, ड्रीम जॉब के लिए वहाँ पे प्लेस करना होता है ताकि आप उस जॉब के लिए पहुँच सकें इंटरव्यू के लिए। इससे आप राइटिंग विद व्हेन यू राइट कवर लेटर, तो आपका जो जॉब हासिल करने के चांसेस हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, बिकॉज यू एक्सप्लेन योर सीवी इन योर कवर लेटर टू हेल्प यू गेट द जॉब। ये आपको कवर लेटर जॉब हासिल करने में मदद देता है। व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द writing that very cover letter for a particular job? First of all is header. To you will write the name of the addressee, mean जिसको आप address कर रहे हैं. Then you write dear manager, Hudaybiyah paper mill, 101 Garden Town Lahore, date, and then you will start subject, a cover letter for the job of a assistant manager, and now you will start with the salutation, dear madam, sir, respected, comma, and you will start your cover letter. And after that you will discuss the body paragraph. In body paragraph you describe your experience, your expertise, and your confidence, your motivation, why you are motivated for this job. With the paragraph should be intelligent one, and there should be the confidence among these paragraphs that you are the suitable candidate for this post. Now the closing, in the closing paragraph you write, I hope you will consider me for this post and call me in, call for this post इंटरव्यू। आप इस पोस्ट के इंटरव्यू के लिए मुझे कॉल करेंगे, मुझे बुलाएंगे। आई शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर योर if you consider my name for this post. The last one, the signature. If you are writing physically, you will write here yours sincerely, yours truly, and then you will write your name, father name, and your signature. If it is male, just write your name and your contact number and your address. So it is enough, and write down and send it through mail. So this was the structure of and way to write a cover letter. I hope you can easily write this cover letter. I have already shared with you people different samples of cover letter. So next is a letter of application includes what are the basic elements that are included in application. So first one is your full address and email, the date of writing, your salutation mean. So the job title mean the subject you will write after writing the full address or email. Then you will write the date of writing. The job title means subject. You will write here the title or the subject of the job. Subject mean a cover letter for the job of a assistant or the stenotypist. So such type of a title or subject is known as job. For what purpose you are writing that very cover letter. The job title or the name of the person who you are writing to and the name of the organization. Number 4, the greetings, salutations, dear sir, respected sir. So you will start with the salutation mean greetings. After that you will start your cover letter. First paragraph, mention where you found out about the vacancy and name the job you are applying for. So you first of all mention, I have come to know through the reliable resource of daily news or some type of advertisement or in the published in the newspaper on dated. सो यू विल मेंशन है, आपने मेंशन कर देना कि किस डेट को आपको कैसे ईमेल के ज़रिए, फेसबुक के ज़रिए इस जॉब, इस पोस्ट का जो है वो मालूम हुआ है. एंड नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू मेंशन सेकंड पैराग्राफ, प्रेजेंट यू to the employer explains why you want to apply for the position. आप इस पोजीशन के लिए क्यों अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. for what purpose you are going to apply for this post. The seventh thing you have to write in your body paragraph. Paragraph 3 mention your previous work experience, skills and abilities that make you suitable for the job and suggest way of getting in touch with you। पैराग्राफ नंबर 3 में आपने अपना सबका एक्सपीरियंस बताना होता है, अपनी स्किल्स बताती हैं, अपनी एबिलिटीज़ बतानी होती हैं कि किस तरह आप इस जॉब के लिए जो है वो मौजूद तरीन कैंडिडेट हैं। And the eighth point is closing expression. I hope you will consider my cover letter and CV that is attached with this cover letter and give me a chance for this post. I hope you will call me interview and thank you once again. I am very thankful to you for considering me for the said post. Now you will write here yours truly, the closing and the ending, yours sincerely, yours truly, and you will write your name, your signature if you have you are writing in the form of letter. You will write your name, father name, address, mobile number and then your signature. If you are writing your email, just need to write there your signature. Last one, your full name printed on the underneath mean after writing your name, जब आप अपना नाम लिख ले रहे होते हैं एंडिंग पे तो आप वहाँ पर अपने सिग्नेचर कर दें। दिस इज़ अ सैम्पल हेयर। नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी अ सैम्पल दैट इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू पीपल। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एड्रेस ऑफ the employee or the recruiter, and in the right corner you are seeing the number 1, the address of your 35 Glorky Street, Wilmer, 600 199, email and 15th May 2010. It is 2.1. First of all you will write the address, you will write then second point is date, third point is the addressee, आप उस addressee को address करते हैं and fourth point is salutation or dear madam, respected sir, salutation, and after that you have I am writing to reply to your advertisement in the times of the first. Fifth point is your how you find this job information, आपने इस job की information कैसे find की। Sixth paragraph, how you are suitable for this job, तो सिक्स में आप पैराग्राफ में वो यानी बात कर दी, यानी सेकंड पैराग्राफ में। थर्ड में आपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस, अपनी स्किल्स और आप किस तरह इस कंपनी के लिए बेनिफिशियल हो सकते हैं, तो 7 पैराग्राफ में वो पॉइंट में वो दी। आई एम इनक्लोजिंग माई CV फॉर योर कंसिडरेशन। आई एम क्लोजिंग माई, आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हेयरिंग फ्रॉम यू। सो दिस इज़ 8 पॉइंट कि मैं आपकी तरफ से देख रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी क्लोजिंग अलॉन्ग विद माई डिटेल CV। Yours faithfully mean closing point number 9, and you will write here your name Alexander Dipov or the Muhammad Arshad, Muhammad Saima Manzoor, and you will write the here your signature. So one by one the greetings, how to write your greetings, dear sir, madam, and then you will start your letter. Dear Mr. Smith, I am writing. Okay, reason for writing, why you are writing that the opening sentences are here. You can use these sentences while you are going to start first paragraph. Okay, your experience, the second paragraph, what are your experience, expertise, you will write this. I gained some experience while my qualification includes this is this metric, MA, MPhil or matriculation. I am currently working as a post for the, so you can mention at the moment I am getting salary, good salary in this, and now it is good job, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी जॉब है और मैं इसको एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पर यहाँ पे हासिल करना चाहता हूँ। नाउ यू डिस्कस योर CV, प्लीज़ फाइंड द अटैच माई CV। आपने अपनी CV का अपने कवर लेटर में कैसे जिक्र करना है, तो यू विल मेंशन हेयर योर CV लाइक एज, प्लीज़ फाइंड अटैच माई CV as you can see from attached CV that as you will see from the enclosed CV that I have a vast experience and fulfill my close all educational requirement as mentioned for this job. I am enclosing my CV for your consideration. I have enclosed my CV and would be glad to supply any further information required. तो ये जुमले जो है वो आप इनमें से 2 या 3 जुमले आप जो भी पसंद करें वो आप इस्तेमाल कर। क्लोजिंग एक्सप्रेशन किस तरह से इस्तेमाल करने हैं, तो हेयर आर द सैम्पल ऑफ क्लोजिंग एक्सप्रेशन। प्लीज़ डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू कॉन्टैक्ट मी इफ़ यू विल should require further information. I am available for interview at your convenience. I look forward to hearing from you. I enclose my reference form from my present employer. I would be grateful if you would consider my application and call me for interview for the said post. Please let me know if you need any further information. I look forward to meet। इनमें से आप जो मौजू आपको लगे वो आप सेंटेंसेस अपने कवर लेटर में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। साइनिंग ऑफ लेटर एट द एंड व्हेन यू राइट योर सिंसियरली, योर फेथफुली, योर्स ट्रूली, you write here like this, and the opening sentence like dear madam, dear sir, respected to in the beginning of the salutation. At the end you will write here yours sincerely, your name, your contact detail and your address you will write. So this is the sample of how to write a cover letter. If you feel problem, I have already shared with you people the slides, the samples with you people. I hope you will now complete your cover letter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And if you have a question, you can send me inbox with your group. Thank you.